Yeah.
So, okay. So, I guess we can get the small one. Daddy, transfer ko na lang sa small one. Takno. Para hindi malaki yung alisin na lang to. Hop. I-transfer na lang. Oopsie. And then, ubusin ko na lang yung rice. Parang busog na ako. Daddy, ilagay mo na lang sa gilid. Ito. Oh. Dito, ilagay mo dito. Oh. Para na ganun, para makapagpahinga pala. Huwag na yung Dakota County. Pupunta din naman tayo ng State Fair. State Fair is coming. Oh, let's go Cub Food. Let's buy the book. Kasi, sale.
Yan.
The book. The book.
Book or ticket?
Oh, ticket and the book. Ay, walang laman yan.
Yan, book.
Oh, leftover. Ilagay mo dito, Dad. Dito. Ay. Hi.
Wala po.
Tapos i-doble.
Tapos mo.
There we go. And then we can tap on the garbages. Alright. Thanks, Daddy. Yay. Oh, wow. This is the longest live streaming that I did. I still have battery. Oh, 31%. Wow, it's like 3 hours 36. Pinicture ako doon, di mo tinignan kung ano yung itsura kong pinicture nila. Okay. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. We are going to close now. And so, Baba Utin's performance is done. There are how many of you guys? Four that performed, and then after that everyone is like dancing in the floor. Oh wow, I can't believe it.
Let's go.
This is my very first time to watch them people dancing Korean dance. Oh wow, everyone is really on to keep up, folks. And so, well, I have 2 minutes.
We're gonna walk out in 2 minutes.
You're gonna walk out in 2 minutes? Oh, sure, you count now. It's not 2 minutes yet. See, my eyes is tired. Hindi pa, kasi paglalabas ako, wala na akong Japan. Diyan pa lalabas? Yeah, it's just only there. The car is only there. Bagay daw. Sino nagsabing bagay? Ako lang naman. So we have 1 minute. 1 minute, 1.5 minute. Daddy. Hi. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan si Baba Otin. So I said, I'll wait till like 2 minutes. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute left. 1 more minute.